And Min Jeong, what stood out to you the most from the numbers?
The profit, the SoftBank Group's turn to profit was a good thing to see. And you mentioned the valuations and positive things. They have now a net asset value of over 27 trillion yen, which is a record high. And this measure is one of Masayoshi Son's favorite metrics in gauging the health of their own business. And this kind of helps us believe that, like you mentioned, SoftBank is getting more ready to actually start spending money again to invest in AI and particularly chip technologies. Unfortunately, we didn't see much detail on that front yesterday, but these figures, the positive profits, the net asset figure, these are all kind of suggesting that we could expect more exciting news going forward from SoftBank in terms of investments.
So there's the cash pile that they're sitting on, ready to be deployed, but also we did see the loss for Vision Fund 2. Was that a surprise?
Yes, the Vision Fund still reported a quarterly loss, which was kind of disappointing, and yes, it wasn't quite expected. It speaks to how we still don't have a lot of clarity on their private assets. We have data on publicly traded assets and can kind of estimate how they're doing, but for these private assets, which get written down and we don't have much clarity on, it raises a lot of questions about what is going on there. And the fact that these valuations haven't been quite giving Vision Fund assets a boost is disappointing, but you mentioned the cash pile. It doesn't mean SoftBank doesn't have enough money because it's generating profits on the group level and because overall valuations have been recovering and the cash pile is now at like 6.2 trillion yen, which is about 40 billion US dollars. They do have a lot of money to spend, and I think because of these factors, I think we can anticipate more activity on the group side rather than on the Vision Fund side, but we really have to see how things develop from here to be sure.